let's try and play around. What are you doing? Can they hide in the camera? So my neighbor's cat gave birth, and I got with me the smallest kitten I've ever seen. I don't even know if it's a boy or a girl. Can't even tell. Got beautiful blue eyes. Hey, can we play? Hey, baby. Play. Hey. Oh! He could be the son of my other cat. Is it your son, Zeddy? Is it your son? If my other cat had testicles. Right now, I'm gonna open the door, see how my other cat reacts to him. My other cats, because I have two. Pretty much a cat daddy here. Let me see, you a boy or a girl? Oh, hello! Alright, first of all, I think I should introduce him to my female cat, Minta. 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 Look at your brother. You love him, Minta? Hmm? Cats don't like each other at all. Like, even this baby, which is supposed to like love our cats, because Zeddy, oh my god, if she doesn't like him, forget about Zeddy. So I think we've made progress. Do you wanna be here with me, bud? Yeah, I know. I'm sorry for not using deodorant today. A million scratches later, we've become a little friendly. Ah!